We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for garden design. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, you can start a new chat by clicking the new chat button. In the chat input, begin by typing a prompt that describes your garden design needs. For example, you could say, help me design a backyard garden that includes a vegetable patch, flower beds, and a seating area. You can be as detailed as you like, mentioning the size of your garden, your preferred plants, and any specific features you want to include. ChatGPT will respond with ideas and suggestions tailored to your input. You might receive advice on plant selection based on climate or tips on garden layout that optimizes space and aesthetics. If you need more information about a specific plant or design element, simply ask ChatGPT for more details, and it will provide further insights. You can also request alternative layouts or ask for advice on garden maintenance and care. For a more interactive experience, consider using ChatGPT's integrated tools that allow you to visualize your garden. Some versions might offer the ability to generate simple garden sketches based on your conversation. Remember, you can refine your design by continuously engaging with ChatGPT, adjusting your parameters, and exploring different styles until you're satisfied with the plan. Once you have a solid design, you can save the conversation for future reference or print it out if you prefer a hard copy to work from. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.